Hello friend, welcome to Pictory AI full tutorial. In this Pictory AI full tutorial video, I'm going to break down and point clearly the process of creating videos made using AI. You can use this video to learn how to create videos for YouTube, Instagram, among other social media platforms. You just need to have an effective script which you can make by just hiring a good freelancer, or you can use ChatGPT to make it in seconds. If you stay tuned till the end of the video, you will be a professional in making faceless videos and actually learn how to make money with the skill. To get started with Pictory AI, I will leave a free trial in the description below. Try it today. Let's get right into it. Signing up to the account is the easiest of all. You just need to add your email and password to get started. Since I already have a Pictory AI account, let's just log into the account. So, let's do this. Here I put the email, then the password, then log in. We are in now. As you can see, the account appears simple and straightforward. You just need a few tips to be a professional in creating videos out of scripts. Grab a cup of coffee and bring your seat closer as I give you a step-by-step description of what is expected of you to be a pro. Briefly, let me give you a quick walkthrough of what Pictory AI all entails. So, when you open the dashboard, you get to access these features. We have the script to video, article to video feature, edit videos using text, and visual to video features. Did you know you could make faceless YouTube and Instagram videos in minutes using AI? I know you're asking how. So this feature, script to video, makes everything possible. You just have to paste your text here, follow a few steps, and finally make a faceless video you could not imagine. Later in the video, I'll discuss this in detail. Stay tuned to learn more. The article to video feature allows you to make videos directly from blog posts. This may also seem to be a miracle, but it's possible. We will see how later in this video. You could also do the reverse. That is, you could generate scripts from video with Pictory AI. Pictory AI uses a complex combination of image recognition, natural language processing, and motion tracking to generate an interactive storyboard. It captures people, objects, and dialogue in the video, and automatically generates a script from the video. Isn't Pictory AI powerful? You can use the Edit Video Using Text feature to make scripts that can help you edit texts on your video. You could also use Pictory AI to make videos from visuals. Example, photos and videos on your PC. The Visuals to Video feature makes this possible. Pictory AI has features such as automatic cropping, optimization, and generation of text overlays for efficient video composition. It also has customizable color schemes and fonts to give the videos an individual touch. Those are the features basically present in Pictory AI. Let's now see this. What I'm going to do is start off with the scripted video. In order to get going, you simply click on Script to Video on the Proceed button right here, and that brings you to the screen. Now, this is the script editor, and this is already very important. Don't make the mistake that a lot of people make. So, you paste your script. You can make the script with ChatGPT, or you can write this yourself, or even hire a freelancer to do it. It doesn't matter, but simply paste your script into the video editor here. So, I'm gonna paste my script here. I made mine from ChatGPT. As long as it is a script, Pictory AI will interpret it. It is now right here. However, this is not how it should be, because if you keep it like this, it will not make a great video because the headlines and the automatic captions gonna be way too much. So, what you will do is make sure that this becomes a sentence for sentence kind of thing. Let me show you how. So this part can remain as hello travelers, then we press Ctrl plus Enter to separate these two parts. We can do the same here, separate these two sentences, and so on and so forth. This way, we are actually reducing the complexity of the sentences and making it easy for Pictory AI to interpret. Pictory AI needs instructions to perform perfectly. The earlier you understand this, the easier it will be to use the tool. Always have this in mind. It will save you a lot of disappointments at the end. So we break down everything that way. The work appears even easier to interpret. So if you make it look like this, if you put it like this into the software, the result from your video is going to be much better. Let's now click Proceed. We've now landed on templates. Choosing a template is good because Pictory is going to put your entire video in that template. So you've got a ton of templates as you can see here. Lemon, Corporate, Red Ink, Sunrise, we have Metro, and many more. So I'm going to choose Subtitle Yellow. It pretty much appears nice as you can see. Note that you are not limited to the type of template you choose. Just use the one that fits your work best. So if you want to make YouTube videos, you click right there. If you want to make Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Stories, you click 916. You click one by one. I'm gonna go with 16:9 just for YouTube videos. Click Continue. Now, Pictory AI is creating a storyboard and clips for the script you gave it. It may take a few seconds. Just be patient. It's now complete. This is what it automatically looks like. So, our whole video is now done because Pictory AI has software that directly put videos based on what you included as the text. Let's have a look at the first sentence here. Hello, travelers. Alongside, you see a good video of travelers. Don't be surprised. This is how good the tool is. Let's see another sentence. In today's video, we are taking you to an epic. You see the tour in the clip? Isn't this amazing? The tool is damn powerful. Try it today. You'll like it. I'll leave a free trial in the description below. Be sure to click it and try it out. Sometimes, Pictory AI may not be as satisfying as we would wish. Like in this video clip. See? The wording for the subtitles occupies most of the space in the video. Let me show you some of the tools you can use to make your video clip subtitles perfect. So, 1. You can change the font. In this video, our subtitles appear so big. It might be boring to the audience. Let's maybe alter the font to 22 and C. It's a bit much better. You could also alter the font type. Here we have Arial, Calibri, Lato, and many others. Play around with each one of them and find out which fits your audience. You can change the font and the sizing. You can make it bold. You can do whatever you want to do. You can change the color, the background color, and you can change the placement as well. So, if you don't want it in the center at the bottom, but top left, you click top left, and there you go. Top right, you get the point. You can change anything and everything. If you do decide to change that, what you can do is click Apply to All and you automatically apply this to each single scene. Otherwise, you have to do it manually. I do not recommend doing that. The problem could also be due to having two loaded sentences. When we were breaking down our script, we said to make the sentences as short and clear as possible. But don't worry, we have a way to deal with this. Just stay tuned. I'll discuss it in a few. Let me show you why and how that works. For example, this sentence. In today's video, we are taking you through, right? There is a little bit too long. If you click on it, you can also see that right here. So immediately, I definitely need to change the size of the text. But I then have to make it shorter in order for it to fit, which doesn't look too great. So, I would have been better off making this much shorter. But don't worry, you can still do that. Here's how, and then also show you the problem that comes with that if you don't do this directly. So let's look at the sentence at scene 11, right here. What you can simply do is select a part where you want to split it up. So for example, here's a part. What I'm gonna do is change that. I'm gonna put a few dots and then click split scene. If you click split scene, what it's gonna do, split the two. As of now, I have two parts of the sentence as we wander through and marveling at the remarkable engineering. Now, as you see, we have two parts with the same scenes. It may be a problem or may be okay. In our case, I think it is okay because the two parts of the sentence are interlinked. If this is not the case, then there is a problem. You can consider making two different scenes. And how do you go about it? Just stay tuned. So, you can click right here on that icon and it says unlink the scene. I'll click and there we go. The scenes are now separate. So, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add a new clip for this part of the clip. This separates the two parts from each other. So, for the first part of this sentence, I can go to visuals and look for a clip that best fits the statement and include it now for the sentence. I think it's perfect. So, we just fixed the problem this way before I finish this scene by scene. Let's learn quickly something on visuals. Sometimes you're not comfortable with the default clips generated by Pictory AI. It's normal. What do you do now? I got the solution. Just click on visuals. So here we have so many images to choose from. You can switch the title to suit your needs. Just feel free. Let me, for example, try looking for Adventure Travelers. Pictory AI gave me them. You can see tons of them. From here, you can choose which best fits you and use it for your video. So, mine, I'll just stick to this video clip. It's exceptional, and I like it. Maybe I can try and find out one which I can change, just for an example. So, scenes 1 and 2 are not bad. Let's see scenes 3 and 4. I think they are pretty much okay. Scene 3 gives us a clear beauty of history, which I think is okay. For scene 4, we have this map that illustrates where we can find China in the world. I am personally satisfied with the scene. Maybe we can look at 5. It's not bad, but let's just use it as an example, just to clarify my idea. So we can click on visuals and try searching the Great Wall of China. You see the images, high quality. Let's try using one and see how it goes. So I can pick on this one. You just have to click and the clips load onto the video. It's that simple. Please don't feel limited. We all have different tastes and preferences. You could also try loading some of the images from your browser. You could choose images on the internet, download them and upload them into Pictory AI. To upload, you just have to click here, Uploads, and there you go. Just drag and drop a file from your PC. Let me try an example. So as you can see, I've uploaded a file on the Great Wall of China. It's that easy. Let's even make this part of the video. Here we go. It's amazing. However, as you can see, there are a few white lines right now. In order to fix that, we'll go to Settings, which you can find on the right bottom, and then click Visual Zoom and Pen. As you can see right now, this fits perfectly. Why now are you struggling to make YouTube videos when we have such a tool? Try it today. It's gonna be fun. We can now learn something brief about elements. Elements basically encompass emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Let's say you want to add a GIF. You simply search and then you click and then you've added it. Now that we've considered all that is required of us in making a good video from a script, we can now understand the audio part. A video without audio may be so boring. We need at least someone speaking and then some background music. Makes it even more interesting and nice to watch. So please be keen as I quickly take you through what the audio part entails. It is pretty much easy and straightforward. Let's get started. So what I recommend doing is going to audio settings and putting the background music either as 0 when you do not want background music. If you do, put it roughly less than 10. That should give you a decent volume of background music, and then you can choose the voiceover. Pictory AI has got a number of voiceovers which you can choose from. If you scroll down, the one from South Africa as well as New Zealand sounds much better. I recommend them actually. Note that you still have a chance to upload your own voices from wherever you get them. This could even apply to other AI platforms available with voiceovers. Pictory AI is that flexible. Here in the upload sections, you can easily drag and drop the voices and use them in your video. So, when you choose the voice you want to use, just click on Preview here. So, next, we have Preparing for the Video Preview, and then the Video Now. Here we go. We got the video. Let's listen to the video. Perfect. So, we've now done our complete video. We've got captions for the script, we've got a voiceover, we've got background music. It's now time to download our video. Now, this is actually really important. A lot of people make a mistake when downloading the video. So, you want to go to Format, and then you want to make sure to change 720p to 1080p. Now, this is only available on a paid plan. Let's just use 720p for the demonstration. So if you're making videos for YouTube, click this. 16:9 landscape, for example. TikTok, Instagram Reels, this and that. And click Portrait 1 and your normal Instagram feed goes with square. I'm going to generate this on YouTube format and then I'm going to click download right here. As you can see, it is now preparing our video for download. It is simply rendering our video. It may take some time depending on the size of the video. Patience. It's now down. Now the video is ready for use. If you want to find back your previous projects, you can click My Projects right here and you'll then be brought to the page where you can find all of your previous work. Now, maybe you've got a blog and you want to turn the blog into a video and you don't know what to do. Come closer. I have your answer. It's the article to video feature in Pictory AI that makes this possible. So, what you do is simply place a URL right here in the space. So, pick your blog link from an internet source and paste it here. But note that this feature does not accept links from Google Docs. The link must be from an article already posted in the internet to the public. I can paste it here. Click Proceed and it's now going to scan our blog. So, let's now wait for Pictory AI to extract the key messages from the article. It takes a bit of your time, so be patient. Now, as you will see soon, This will not directly put the entire blog script into Pictory AI. It will analyze everything, but it will only focus on key messages in the article, as you can see right here. So, the key parts you just selected are all of this right-hand side. So, you can see in scene 1, the top 10 strongest currencies in the world. We have several scenes which will later be used in Pictory AI to make the video. So, if you want to add all of this part right here, I highlight this and it's going to be put into the article on the right-hand side, just like that. Once that is done, it takes some seconds to load the scene onto the script. I think a lot of patience is needed when using Pictory AI. As well, I can undo the highlighted sentence by just clicking on the X right here. Pretty straightforward. Everything is clear now. So, once you've extracted everything, you want to extract from the blog post. What you can do is click on Next, then choose your template. This takes us back to where we all started, using templates to make effective videos from scripts. Actually, from here, you just have to follow all the steps we discussed previously on script to video feature. It's that simple. So, here I can choose the template that best fits my work. I can just go with this one on sunrise right here. I then have to choose either 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. So next is video storyboard creation, which is more or less the same as what we did previously on script to video feature. Be sure to follow all the steps we discussed early in the video when we make a video from the script. Everything is the same from now on. Then we also have to edit videos using text now. This feature, the edit video using text feature, is basically just a video editor. So I just uploaded the file. I click proceed, click proceed. Once again, it's going to upload our video into the software, and there we go. This is what it now looks like. So, Pictory AI automatically generates the script for what I see in the video, which is pretty cool. And then I can change all of these captions. You can see that the captions are also automatically generated. So, you can see on the left side of the screen, I'm getting my transcription, and this is the text that I got. And on the right side, we have our video, and this is our text right here. And the text is generated by Pictory, and this is also added as a subtitle right here in the video. Here, on this screen, you can see that we can do auto-highlighting. You just have to click auto-highlight and it happens in seconds. Also, if we want to remove the subtitle, then we can simply go ahead and remove from this option, subtitle. Then we can select maximum number of lines per scene just right next here. So, I'm going with 1 because it will be easy to read. Then we have the total timing right here. The duration, which is 3 minutes and 46 seconds for this video. So, you can see right here that Pictory has actually picked up a lot of different pauses from time to time. So, what I will do is I will select the option Remove a Filler Words, which is Remove Filler Words. And now it looks very formal. You can also remove silences by altering with Remove Silences button. It's easy and straightforward. And then we can simply go ahead and download the text and generate a video. If you click Customize Video on the right-hand side here, you will go into the video editor. Now, this once again gets you the same effect as the normal scripted video part. So, you can change the visual elements. Everything from now on is once again the same as it would be on your scripted video, normal editing. Let's have a brief look at the visual to video feature. So, you can make a video out of visuals on your PC. You just have to upload them to the visual to video feature and then click proceed, then upload directly. I will use images, just for demos. However, video clips will be a perfect way to make the videos you want. So here, I'm required to first upload the one visual to proceed to the next step. So here we go. The file upload is complete. Let me add at least 2 other images to the same. So here I'm gonna click on Add More Files right here. So you can see both videos uploading and complete. So next I click Proceed. We now have to include a template that we will use for our video. It is more or less the same as what we have been doing throughout the video. Some differences may appear in a few, so be keen as we continue. Like in other cases, you need to choose the best templates. So let me go with Sunshine right here. 16:9 for YouTube. And good. Storyboard creation is here. Of course, it may take less time because we are dealing with images. Clips basically take more time. And here we are. So you can see on your right, we have all the 3 scenes very present, just like in script to video feature. So because our scenes lack an introduction and a conclusion, we can introduce the 2 into the video. This will make the video more appealing. So I can click on Enable Intro right below here. You can also customize the intro visual, intro logo, and intro text as per my wish. You are not limited. You can see here on the left we have options like intro visual, intro logo, and intro text, but I like my feature. I can just leave it that way. So, another day, another story. Very unique intro. The background is also good. I could also enable the outro the same way. I just have to click enable outro and the outro is enabled. So, you can see how they appear on the project scene. Perfect. But as you can see on this project, something is on amiss. We do not have sentences for our 3 scenes. But don't worry, we can make them in seconds. So what I'm going to do is add text manually for each scene. So here on scene 1, I can write down maybe credit spread term structure. When I write down the sentences, I will help Pictory AI generate audio for my video. So I can move to the second scene. So I can write maybe the price of a yield relationship for a non-redeemable bond. The same to the third scene. After saving, you can see the sentences appear on the image here. From here now, you can move on to including elements such as emojis and GIFs. You can then choose the best voiceover for your video, perform a preview for the audio, and finally download the video. It is that easy and straightforward. As per now, we have learned all that you need to know to be a pro in Pictory AI. But how do you now exploit these skills to make money? So, here are the ways to make money using Pictory AI. Go to Fiverr and Upwork. You will find hundreds and thousands of jobs to create YouTube and TikTok videos. Let's have a look at Upwork, for example. We have around 900 jobs available. Even Fiverr, it's the same. It is for freedom when there is something you can do while in the comfort of your home. For Fiverr, you can see we have over 5,000 people marketing their services on YouTube tasks. Nothing should limit you from getting started. You just need a laptop, good internet connection, and some of the skills I've educated you with in this video. You can as well make your own videos and post them on your YouTube channel. You just have to hire quality scriptwriters or do the scripting yourself. So, you can venture into motivational videos. They are easy to make and give so many views in the long run. I argue with the fact that people all over the world are stressed and tired with life. Be their motivation and as well earn some income. Let me show you something that will make you even more motivated. So, YouTube pays its contractors around 18 cents per view, of which 68% goes to content creators through Google AdSense. Creators can make between 1 cent and 3 cents for each view that an advertisement is featured. The rate advertisers pay generally ranges from 10 cents to 30 cents per view, amounting to around 0.018 cents for every ad view. This would mean a payout of $18 for a video with 1,000 ad views. Through YouTube Premium, its ad-free subscription service, the platform had over 50 million subscribers in 2021. The payout for these views is said to be around $5 per 1,000 views. What now holds you from getting started? Rise up and shine, friend. So this video walks you through the process of creating videos using Pictory AI. We have discussed creating faceless videos, scripting, and editing videos using text. We have also talked about making money using Pictory AI. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I will respond as quickly as possible. Please leave a like and subscription down below. I'm gonna appreciate it. To try this out, check out my description below to get started. I've got a free trial that you could use. Goodbye.